And mukhang matchup, no? Yung ginagawa ng dalawang koponan na to. Although nabanggit natin kanina, si Estacio para sa Marikina usually comes off the bench. CJ Cancino for Jordan Santa Ana coming off a 45 with a screen. And then attacking the basket. Yan ang strength niya, especially papuntang kanan. Pero Berjay, who was outstanding in their last game of
Escoto back the other way. Casajeros to Basco, pulls the trigger. That's good. 6-3, 7. Santa Ana. Ujan pulls up. That's good. 4 right now from beyond the arc. Basco.
That's
will
a shot.
Hit again.
That's a shot.
6 na puntos na para kay Bong Basco.
Of the game para sa Marikina, I believe Basco had a block right there. Yeah, that's his second block on CJ Cancino. How about Basco, huh?
No, CJ Cancino knocks down the 3.
Bumawi kagad.
Pass to katapusan. Cancino fires a 3. Wala. Doliguez puts it in.
The 2 white shirts right there, prepared to get that offensive rebound. Doliguez able to clean that up. But what a shot by Escoto against 4 white shirts.
That's Santa Ana.
Santa Ana, rather.
Clint Doliguez. Katapusan sa ilalim. Banks it in.
The key right there.
Clint Doliguez. Jumper from Clint. Evangelista loses the handle. Gets it to Inteco now. Doliguez.
Nice.
Extra pass to CJ Cancino.
You got it.
Out to Mark Nonoy for 3. Wala. Rebound ni katapusan. CJ! Nice. Too big, too strong. 2 points. Casajeros pulls the trigger. No good. Cancino to katapusan. Wrap around and the layup.
A beautiful move by Katapusan and Anjan. It's just a matter of him displaying it on the court on a consistent basis. Good start para sa kanya. And what a run for Iloilo.
Yes. Nonoy. No good on the corner 3, and Clint Doliguez backs it in.
This is a 22-5 run.
First quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basco spins.
Nabanggit ko ba sa'yo, naging teammate na si Marlo Aquino? The bench, no? Particularly, guys like Katapusan who had 7, Doliguez 6, and Cancino 5, Eric Pili, that's a good sign.
Ang Marikina doon. Santa Ana will lay it in for 2.
Coach Chapsco 1.
To Cancino, CJ drives. CJ with a pretty finish.
So showing the touch inside the paint with that finish.
Cortez steps out to the 3-point line and knocks down the long. Quickly to Eric Pili. Pili, atake, leaves it to Casajeros, and it's a 1-point game.
No dark shirts in the paint that time.
They leave Katapusan all alone.
Transition, di ba? It amazes me how the energy of the players can just shift from high to low, pero ang bigat ng sagot na yun.
You know, CJ Cancino for 3. No bounce, rebound ni Katapusan. Nonoy all alone. Yes.
Raw tumaas ang confidence nila, but losing their SGL Sid Mosqueda will require more efforts from the other guys. Coach Rizal gives credit to his SGL.
Bulacan.
I think what's key for CJ in the first half is really, aside from the points, is the 6 rebounds.
It's a steal by Cancino, and Mark Nonoy will lay it in.
huh? Being reunited,
I think so.
right?
So maybe Mark Nonoy pa nga, si CJ pa nga siguro na-convince kay Mark na pumunta dito. But Santa Ana, what a move right there. Yung mga sumasabit na ano lang eh.
Alam naman natin kung gaano kahirap kumita ang ating mga jeepney drivers. Pero ito, hindi mahirap tumira.
Halftime score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.
Out of the 9 of Iloilo, and that's big because yung second chance points nila was 13-0 in the first half. At maganda rin dito, ang ganda rin na simula.
Jay, another three. No good. Imperial, the offensive rebound, and a stick back.
Long shots, usually.
Sa main game.
Nabanggit ko ba sa'yo, si Jeff sa onsing sinabi niya, usually 12, mali.
Ano dyan, ito hindi nagkakamali. Sa perimeter, ang ganda. Kaya nga. Pili. Nice fake. Atake, layup, good.
Pero kumanta ng Gary V si Eric Pili, di bale, akong bahala. Kaibigan ko na dati nangaasar, ngayon nandun na sila, alam na nila yung pakiramdam. Di ba? Ako na yung nangaasar sa kanila. Papunta pa lang kayo, pabalik na po ako.
No finish. Nonoy
2-on-1.
leaves it to Doliguez.
Para sa mga batang nanonood, that's how you finish a 2-on-1 break. You don't end up with a jumper. You attack the basket. Pag sumabay, drop off. Pag hindi, layup. Miggy Corteza. Pinapakita naman, this is how...
Naagaw ni Cancino. CJ banks it in for two.
And that's the... was covered by his teammate Katapusan. Didn't really need to help. Pero binibuti na lang. Nabawi kagad ni Mark Nonoy. Spot. And again, halfway na tayo through the season na Santa Ana. Coach Chaps is not gonna like that, especially...
Escoto fakes the pass. Escoto, the drive, the kick out, corner three. Pili knocks it down.
And that's the easiest pass to make.
Santa Ana will attack and will lay it in. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Iloilo.
Yun ang maganda sa kanya, especially in transition. Pagbigyan mo ng buwelo, pero yan din naman maganda naman kay CJ Cancino. And that's to beat.
Third quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.
When the not so good things are happening, he makes everyone accountable. And at the same time, may tamang balanse siya sa lahat ng player. Alam niya kung kailan niya papagalitan.
Jude Coduniera. CJ Cancino ang may tangan ng bola ngayon. CJ fires and hits.
Nag-sorry kagad itong si Corteza. Bakit? Base kumpara nung tira ni CJ sa kabila.
Here's Cancino. Take charge time for CJ. What a shot!
Better basketball. Ikaw ba yan?
Pili. Binigay kay Santa Ana. Binabantay ni Doliguez. Here's Santa Ana. Gets into the lane and puts it in for two.
Yeah, that's just poor interior defense.
Nonoy. Berjay will fire and hit.
Well, what a smart play by CJ. Sorry about that, Sidel. Dribble shot. Pull up para kay Berjay for his second three.
That's actually the third.
Third na.
Para kay
Okay.
RV Berjay, who's really, yung much improved na
Yun.
kayang outside shot. And this time, taking it strong to the cup. 11 puntos para kay RV Berjay. Back the other way. Ujan finishes.
Now, ang nakashoot doon yung tao ni Berjay, no? And allowed him to either switch or recover back to Ujan. Kaya si Ujan nakashoot kagad after a made basket. Nonoy, pasok.
Oh, here's Berjay.
Wala.
Katapusan, the offensive rebound in the layup.
Gusto kasi ni Katapusan, may rebound. Offensive rebound. Tapos put back.
Liga Pilipinas Basketball League bukas. Charlesworth for three, and he knocks it down.
The first basket in 3.
That's a miss.
Trying to go back-to-back after hitting the last 3 for Iloilo.
Under 3 minutes remaining. Santa Ana with a quick spin and the finish.
Nakawala.
CJ, step back three is good.
Take a pose, CJ.
Thing is stuck. Malapit na. Escoto answers right back with a three of his own. Trying to add to his game high 27 points. CJ, step back three again. 30 para kay CJ Cancino. CJ again. Heat check. Imperial with the board and the finish.
And that's been the story of the fourth quarter.
This final score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.